In this video, we're going to talk about how multiplication and division are related. So if we have a problem like this that says, find the answer to the division sentence so that the multiplication and division sentence describe the model. So this is the model, and it's divided into 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4 groups. Each group has 3 dots, 1, 2, 3, right? And then the total number of dots is 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 times 3 equals 12 describes this model. There's 4 groups, 3 dots in each group. If you multiply that out, 4 times 3 gives you 12. So if you have 4 models of the same thing, you would have 12 total dots. So how would you represent that in words? So let's look at that. So 4 is the number of groups, 3 is the number of dots in each group, and then 12 is the total number of dots. So now we have a division that we're trying to make equal to this model. We need to figure out what is equal here in terms of the division. So if we have 12 dots total and we divide them up into 4 groups, that's going to give us 3 dots in each group. So we could just write that in. But first, how would that look? So the total number of dots divided by the number of groups will give you the number of dots in each group. And that's what we're trying to find. And we know the number of dots in each group is 3. So let's just write that in as 3. And that's the answer to the question. And if you don't understand this right away, just rewind the video, and if you watch it a couple more times, you will understand how multiplication and division are related.